Hi. Good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Shiva, Shravan, Shruti, Praneeth, everyone. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Everyone, how are you? Everyone, how are you? So we'll be moving into the next questions of this GATE and ESE PYQs of this traversing we are discussing. Okay. Next questions of this traversing we will be discussing. You can say all of you. Traversing part 3 PYQs, right? Traversing part 3 PYQs we are discussing, right? Now already two parts we have done now, and we'll be going with which one? This is the next part, you can say, right? So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you. Everyone be ready to crack, right? So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil, right? Yeah, Anant, good morning. Yeah, so this is my profile. You can follow me at which you can just scan this QR code to follow my profile. Every information you'll get in my profile, right? It's not. So what is that referral code you recommend it to your friends, and you have to use RP Civil is the referral code, right? RP Civil is the referral code to be used, right? And these are all the subjects I'll be taking, already. These are all GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy in top 10 from all branches of engineering, right? So here we cannot have all students names now, so that's why only top 10 students list is given here, if you just observe, right? Now if you just observe, right, what is that you are having here at present? This offer is going on, all of you, right? What is that offer is going on at present? You can say 10% price drop, right? 10% price drop plus a 20% off on your referral code RP Civil, extra months, right? Extra months of this subscription you'll be getting, right? Extra months of this subscription you'll be getting, right? So you have to be very careful, right? Okay, right. So what is that code you have to use for getting all these benefits? RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone. So what is it called? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? Now this is what you can say 18 months if you are taking na 3 months extra you'll be getting, 9 months if you are taking 2 months extra, 6 months if you are taking 1 month extra. So for Iconic also same, right? This is the fee structure you are having, you can say, right? This is the fee structure you are having, if you just observe, right? Now hey, good morning. So here this is special learning week will be there from when 25th to this 31st August, right? 25th to 31st August, this is special learning week will be there, all of you. So here what you can do, those who are attending the classes in YouTube, I will be taking these classes, I will be taking only in special classes, right? There is no YouTube class, right? Only in the special classes I will be taking, right? If you wanted to attend those classes now, you just enroll, you just follow my profile in Unacademy, then you will be getting the notifications of this special classes, all of you. Okay, so where you can follow, you can follow here, right? Those who did not follow me on Unacademy, you can just start following me, all of you here, right? You can just scan this QR code, or you can enter this web link, right? https right //unacademy.com/@RP Civil, right? Or simply in the Google you can search which one, Unacademy plus RP Civil, then you will be redirected to my profile. Okay, or Unacademy plus Rajendra Prasad, you can search in the Google and redirected to my profile. So because this last week only classes will be taken only in the special classes, right? So there will not be any YouTube sessions, right? What I will be taking, what I will be taking, I will be taking that strength of materials GATE and ESE PYQs. At present that plus class is running now, I will be taking that strength of materials GATE and ESE PYQs. Okay, you have to be careful, right? And that series will be continued. Okay, those who are attending that plus classes in strength of materials now, don't miss these, all of you. Right, so here August 30th new batch will be starting. So building materials will be started by Jaspal sir, you can say, right? Survey not over, survey is not over. That last week only I'll be taking this strength of materials, right? Okay, so after that we'll be taking survey classes until the remaining topics gets completed. Then after that some will be continuing. Okay, like that, both will be completed, right? So this is also for 2025 also, that a new batch is starting, that Jaspal sir will be starting with building materials on which one, August 30th. So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone. Now those who are taking these iconic subscriptions now, they will be getting these books, right, along with the plus benefits, right? You will be getting these additional benefits now. One among them is printed notes you'll be getting, right? So those who are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, you can just go with this no cost EMI option, that too with 0% interest on EMI. Okay, right, these are the plus courses, right? One class is pending in this survey that I'll be taking on 26th, but last Sunday only one person was there in the class. Other two persons just joined and left. Why? Anant, you did not come to the class? GATE and ESE PYQs of surveying, right? We are doing now, right? Now coming to this lecture 35, traversing which one? This is part 3, you can say, right? So this is a chapter 10, traversing, we are discussing, everyone, right? So here if we just go for adjust the following angles of this closing horizon, right? Adjusting the following one, you can say, right? How can you go for this adjustment if you just observe, everyone? So shall we go for this? Okay, shall I directly solve this question, everyone? Shall I directly solve this question? Because it was GATE question only, GATE in 1992, but at the time it is which one? At the time it was which one? It was conventional type question, right? At the time it was conventional type question, you can say. At the time it was conventional type question, right? 5 marks question. But we'll solve. Why we are solving here, sir? Because we should not miss any type of the question, right? If you observe in transportation now, previously which they have given as 5 marks question now, from them they are giving one part as objective question in the recent days, if you just observe regarding that stresses, right? Rigid pavement stresses you are having now, wheel load stresses, thermal stresses and frictional stresses, that part they are giving like that. So why we should miss that chance, right? Yes, no? From this also they may give one model of question, right? There is a possibility or not, everyone? Absolutely. Now tell me, what is that a sum of these angles, you can say? These are all interior angles now. So tell me sum of these angles, how much you are getting? 110 degree 20 minutes and 48 seconds plus what is that? 92 degree 30 minutes and 12 seconds plus 56 degree 12 minutes and this 0 seconds plus which one? 100 degree 57 minutes and this 04 seconds, right? So tell me what is the sum of these angles we are getting, everyone? Calculate and tell me, all of you. This you have to tell me, right? I will not write the direct value because you should calculate now. How much is that sum of these interior angles? Right? These are all interior angles only, no? Sum of these interior angles, how much you are getting? Tell me, everyone. What is the value, everyone? No. Tell me in terms of this degrees, minutes and seconds, okay? 360 degrees, how many minutes? So 0.55 means it is lesser than 1 degree only. So 1 minute only. Lesser than 60 minutes. So 360 degrees, 0 minutes, how many seconds? Tell me. When you are entering the values in terms of degrees, minutes and seconds, why you are getting these points? Just to check it. Simply you calculate it 110, okay, 110. So 202 plus 56, right? 208 plus 258, right? 258, 358, right? Okay, 358, right? 358 degrees plus what is that, you can say minutes if you count it, 20 minutes plus 30 minutes, 50 minutes plus 12, 62 plus 57 is how much? 50 plus 50, 62 plus 57, right? What is that? 62 plus 57, everyone? The two if you send it here now, 59, 60. So 119, right? 119 minutes plus what is that? 119 minutes plus what is that? You can say 48 plus 12, right? 40, 50, 60, right? 60, 0, 04. So means 64 seconds, right? Now simplify this. This is your which one? This is your which one, all of you? So 358 degrees plus which one? This is 60 seconds is nothing but your, what is that you can write? You can say 120, 119 plus 1, 120 minutes plus 04 seconds. Na? So 358 plus this 120 minutes is nothing but your 2 degrees. Na? So what is that it comes to be? So 360 degrees plus 0 minutes plus this 04 seconds. Right? Yes, na? You don't even require calculator. Fatafat danadan calculate karna hai, right? 0 minutes, 360 degrees, 0 minutes, and which one? 04 seconds, right? Yes, na? Is that clear, everyone? All of you? Is that clear, all of you? Everyone clear? Right, once clear, note down. Once noted, tell me, all of you. I'll try to move forward. This is your measured value, na? This is your measured value, or you can also say it as the observed value. This is, you can say it as a measured value or observed value, you can say, right? Just note it and tell me. Done, everyone? Right, now coming to this. So what is that, you can say, what is the correction needed? Correction needed is equal to how much? What is the correction needed? This is 4 seconds extra you are having, yes or no? How can you get that correction needed? Or before that, right, what is that sum of interior angles should be? Sum of internal angles should be how much? That is your 2n minus 4 into that 90 degrees. Na? What is that 2n minus 4? 2n minus how many sides are there? 4 sides into 2 into 4 minus this 4. 2 into 4 minus this 4 into that 90 degrees, right? 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 into 90 degrees is 360, you can say, right? This is a true value, right? This is a true value, right? Then what is that closing error now if you just observe? What is that closing error? That closing error E will be equal to which one? That closing error E will be equal to which one, everyone? The closing error E will be equal to observed value minus this true value, right? What is the observed value? 360 degrees, 0 minutes and 04 seconds minus 360 degrees, right? So that is equal to which one? This is plus 04 seconds. Now tell me what is that correction, total correction needed if you just observe. Error is positive. So what is the correction you can say? Total correction is which one? This is a negative, na? Minus 04 seconds we have to apply, or not, everyone? Minus 04 seconds we have to apply if you just observe, right? Now tell me how the corrections will be related to this. There are weightages you are having, now if you just observe. Weightage 4 for this first angle, weightage 1 for the second angle, weightage 2 for the third angle, weightage 3 for the fourth angle, right? Yes, now. So here what is that you are having? So now tell me that corrections, right? So let what are that you can say C1, C2, C3 and C4 will be which one? This is corrections, na? Corrections in which one? This is PQRS angles, na? Corrections, right? Now tell me how this is C1 is to C2 is to C3 is to C4. What is it you can say? C3 is to C4. So that will be equal to which one? This inverse of this weightages, na? 1 is to equal to 1 is to W1 divided by this 1 is to W2 is to 1 is to W3 is which one? This 1 is to W4, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? So that will be equal to how much? 1 by W1 is what? 1 by W1 is what? 1 by 4 is weightage 1 by 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. So now you tell me what are the values, right? If you just try to apply LCM and get this, how can you get this, all of you? So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is which one? This is 24, but we can take the 12 as the LCM now. So now we can take 12 as the LCM, you can say, right? So 12 as LCM, right? What is it you can get? 3 is 3 by 12 is, what is it you can write? 3 by 12 is 12 by 12 is now 6 by 12 is 4 by 12. Can we write it like this, all of you? Then this implies which one? 3 is to 12 is to 6 is to 4, right? These are the corrections, right? C1 is to C2 is to C3 is to that is C4, right? Isn't it? This is what you are getting now. 3 is to 12 is to 6 is to 4, right? Is that clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? In mathematics, you might have done these ratios and proportions. In mathematics or in the aptitude also, we have discussed these kind of things. Right? No. So shall we go on to the next one, you can say? So what is the total correction then? What is the total correction if you just observe it? Okay. So 3 parts, total how many parts? 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 6 is which one? This is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Na? Total 25 parts. Out of this 25 parts, so what is that correction for this first angle? You can say 3 out of this 25 parts, right? 3 out of this 25 parts for the total correction, right? What is the total correction? That is your 4 seconds. Na? How much it comes to be? Tell me. How much it comes to be? Tell me. Minus total correction. Na? Minus you have to go for, right? Minus. What is it? You can say minus how much it will be? How many? Minus 0.48 seconds. Na? Minus 0.48 seconds you can say, right? It's not minus 0.48 seconds, right? The second one, what is that you can say? That is your 12. Na? 12 by 25 times this minus 4 seconds, right? How much it comes to be? Tell me. Minus how much? That correction for this third one, right? What are the values you are having? 6 and 4. Na? Okay. Minus 1.92, which one? Minus 1.92 seconds, right? So this is your 6 by 25 into which one? This is minus 4 seconds, right? How much it comes to be? So minus 0.96 seconds, right? So this one, what is the last one? Six 4 seconds, right? Now tell me, what is that modified values if you just observe? What is that modified angles? Tell me, what are the modified angles? Tell me. That angle P will be equal to how much? First, how much it is given? What is it? 110 degree 2048. Na? 110 degree 20 minutes 48 seconds, right? Minus 0.48 seconds, right? How much it comes to be, everyone? How much it comes to be, all of you, if you just observe? 110 degree. What is the value? 110 degree. Same 20 minutes as it is, na? Same 20 minutes as it is. And how many seconds? 48 seconds minus 0.48, right? What does it mean? It means that 47.52 seconds, na? 47.52 seconds you can say, right? Similarly, what is that angle Q if you just observe? What is that angle Q you can observe? That is angle Q is 92 degree 30 minutes 12 seconds, na? Minus which one? Minus 1.92 seconds, right? What is that it comes to be? You can say, what is this value comes to be? That is your 92 degrees 30 minutes. How much it comes to be? 12 seconds minus 1.92 seconds. Sorry, 1.92. 12 seconds minus 1.92 seconds. No? 12 seconds minus this 1.92 seconds, right? How much is that value? Asha, good morning. 10 point which one? This is 0.8 seconds, na? Is that no? Are nobody is telling, I am only writing. Just look at this and tell me, na? Just 12 seconds, 12 minus 1.92, 10.08 only, no? 48 minus 0.48, 47.52 only, no? Why you are not telling this chota bacha one? Angle R, what is it angle R? 56 degrees 12 minutes 0 seconds minus which one? 0.96 seconds, right? This is equal to which one? Same 56 degrees. So what is it? You can say 11 minutes. And so from this 60 minus 0.96, right? What it will become? 69 is 0.96 is nothing but your 59.04 seconds. It's not? Is that no? Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Are you there or nobody is there in the class? So what is that? Yes, you can say if you just observe. Yeah, then why not answering? 100 degree, 57 minutes, 04 seconds minus what is that? 0.64 seconds. Now I will not tell this, you only answer. I will not write this. Are just look at that and calculate na. First number seconds minus last number second number seconds. That's it. Remaining all are same as it is na. Okay. I will not. Don't use calculator for this. Arey yaar, don't use calculator. Okay. It is very, because we are habituated with calculator very much, right? We forgot how capable our human mind is. Okay. Okay. 100 degree, 56 minutes will come, right? 100 degree, which one? 100 degree, 56 minutes, right? 100 degree, which one? 56 minutes na? Yes or no? 100 degree, 56 minutes will come, or 57 minutes will come? Originally what is that? 100 degree, 57 minutes, 04 seconds. So here what is it you can do? Okay, 57 minutes only, right? 57 minutes only. 04 minus which one? This is 0.64, right? What is it you can say? 3.36 seconds na? 3.36 seconds, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? How to apply this? How to apply this is clear, all of you? Everyone? Is this clear, all of you? How to apply this, all of you? Is not? Right? So this is how we have to apply which one? This is a corrections. You can say this is how we have to apply which one? This is a corrections. You can say if you just observe, right? Yes, now coming to this, shall I move on to the next question, all of you? Shall I move to the next question, all of you? We'll be moving on to this question, right? Shall we? So I'll be writing the options. Select the answer, of you. 120 seconds time I am giving. Draw the diagram and get it. That is the best way to get it. Okay, draw the diagram and get it. Shiva answered correctly. What about the others? Arey, yes, we have done this question in compass na. Arey, Baba. Correct only. Okay, let it be. We'll solve. And I forgot. But still many people are not solving now also. Why? Already we have solved this question. Yes. We have solved this question already, but now nobody is solving. Others are not solving. Why? What is the reason? Means you are not revising properly. You are not solving after the class is over. Yes, na? Don't do like that. It will not give any results. Okay, you have to revise everything. You have to practice PYQs for 4 times at least. All 3 times you have to complete at least. So if you wanted to get in top 10, 4 times you have to complete PYQs of all subjects. That is the only way. You don't get otherwise. Quadrantal bearings of, but we'll solve here. Quadrantal bearings of this line AB and this CA are which one? 5 degree 30 minutes east and south 70 degrees east, right? AB line is what? 530 east. AB line is what? 530 east, right? South 30 east, right? What is that south 30 east? You can say, if you just observe, south 30 east means, right, this will come like this, now southeast south 30 east, right? What is that line? AB line, na? This is your A line and this is your B line, okay? What is this? This is your 30 degree, you can say, if you just observe, right? Now what is that? CA, right? What is that CA given? CA is given as south 70 degree east, right? South 70 degree east means south 70 degree east means, right, what it will come? This also 70 degree will come here like this. This also 70 degree will come like this here, right? It will be in this manner. So this is your south 70 degree east, na? This is your 70 degree, right? This is your CA, right? For CA. Now then the included angle CAB will be, right? What is that included angle? This is 70 you are having, na? So no, this is how much? 20, right? This is 20, right? Then that is the 20 means what is this value, right? This is also 20, na? So this is 90, na? Then tell me angle CAB. What is that? 20 plus this 90 plus this 30, right? What is that value? 140 degrees or not? 140 degrees, right? Which option is correct now? Option A will be the correct answer, right? Is it clear, all of you? But we'll consider it as okay. We don't give this number because it is a compass question, na? Right? It is not a traverse question, okay? You just give the name here as 16th question, okay? All of you. Is it clear? Just give the name here as which one is this one, okay? I'll start the poll. Try to select the answer, all of you. 135 seconds time I am giving. Sufficient enough time I am giving all of you. What confused? Easting. Why confused? Easting and westing, na? Northing. Sum of the departures by which one? This is sum of these latitudes. That is only the angle, na? Sum of the departure by sum of this. You just find out what is the sum of these latitudes first, sum of the departures first. Then you will be getting the reduced bearing quadrants. Then after that you can identify what is a whole circle bearing. Okay. Anubhav, good morning. Twenty seconds more time. Okay, don't worry. I'll tell you how to do this. Don't worry, don't worry. Right. Now tell me, what are this sum of this north things if you just observe? What is the sum of this north things, you can say everyone? What is the sum of this north things you are getting? Tell me. What is the sum of this north things? Sum of these north things will be plus 520. Yes. And tell me, what is the sum of this south things minus how much? This is minus na? This is also 520. Same 520. Okay. Sum of this easting state. What is the sum of this eastings? Tell me. Plus how much? Plus 731. And you tell me sum of this westings, how much it is minus? It will be different then. 730. Okay. Now tell me, what is the sum of this latitudes? Tell me, sum of this latitudes is nothing but your plus 520 minus 520, right? It is 0, right? And sum of these departures will be equal to which one? Sum of these departures will be equal to which one, all of you? Sum of these departures will be equal to which one? What is sum of these departures? You consider it. Sum of these departures will be which one? 731 minus this is 730, right? What is it? You can say it is plus or minus. It is plus or minus, everyone. It is plus, no? Yes, no, it is plus 1, right? Plus 1. So now tell me which one we have to consider. This can be 0 means latitude is 0 means northing or southing. It can be anything, right? So either it can be northing or southing, right? Can you say exactly? We cannot say exactly whether it is northing or southing, right? Now what is it? You can say departure is positive means it is definitely that easting only, no? It is definitely that easting only or not? So no, it is easting definitely, no, but that can be northing or southing, we don't know. But this will be which one? This will be which one? This easting, na? This will be the easting, you can say, right? This will be the easting, you can say, right? Now tell me, what is the closing error if you just observe? Closing error E will be equal to which one? This under root sum of this latitudes square plus this sum of this departures square, right? What is it? You can say under root 0 square plus which one? This 1 square. So what is it? It comes to be that 1 meter only, no? And what is that theta? You can say that theta, you can say sum of this departure by this sum of this latitudes, right? What is it? It comes to be sum of this departure is 1 divided by this sum of this latitude is infinite. Sorry, sum of this latitude is 0 na. So that is nothing but your infinite, right? Infinite means, right, what is that? You can say that tan theta will be equal to, therefore that theta will be equal to how much? You can get it. That is your 90 degrees only, no? 90 degrees you can say, right? 90 degrees you can say, right? Is not 90 degrees you can say if you just observe, right? Departure is which one? This is positive only, no? But the departure is positive only, no? Departure is positive means it will be corresponding to this easting only. One possibility is there, which one? One possibility is there, which one? So the line will be like this, na? That AB line will be like sorry, that will be like this, na? That closing error may be in this direction, na? That closing error may be having this or not. It is satisfying or not? This is your 90 degree with respect to this north, is not? Or it is with respect to south also it is 90 degree only, no? With respect to south also it is 90 degree only, no? And what is that whole circle bearing of this one? You can say whole circle bearing of this E will be equal to that 90 degrees only, no? Here in the question, which one is given? So what is that a reduced bearing? You can say reduced bearing is equal to which one? This is a north 90 degree east, and also you can say south 90 degrees, right? Both are correct enough. But whole circle bearing is which one? Whole circle bearing is 90 degrees only, right? Yes, now whole circle bearing is 90 degrees, you can say, right? Whole circle bearing is 90 degrees, right? When you take a 270 now, it will go to this one. Why? Whenever you are going to this one, that departure will become negative, but departure is negative, so that 270 can we take it, or 270 we cannot take it? Tell me, Shiva. 270 should not be considered, na? Because if you take 270 that vesting will come. But is there any vesting in our condition? Did we identify that closing error will be having vesting departure or easting departure? our closing error will be having this easting departure only, no? So 270 can be the value or 270 cannot be the value. 270 cannot be the value. Only which one is a value? That 90 is the value, right? Like that is a clear now. So which one? 1 meter and this is 90 degrees, right? Which option? Option A will be the correct answer, right? Got it now? Your confusion got cleared, everyone? Your confusion got cleared, everyone? All of you. Your confusion got cleared, all of you? Yes, now? So note this and tell me. We'll try to move to the next question, 17th question then. This one noted, everyone? This is also done, everyone? Right? Okay. Now we'll be going on to this, right? Right, here. Okay. Select the answer. 135 seconds time I am giving, everyone. From YouTube also nobody is selecting from YouTube. Shiva answered correctly. $70 seconds more time. This is yes one, okay. From a station, yes 3, you observe 225 degrees and okay. Yes 3, you are asked to identify. These are independent coordinates, no? Right. Shruti also answered correctly. The bearing of two inaccessible stations, easting is 500 meters and this northing is 500 meters, right? So two inaccessible stations, right? S1, first station S1, let us say. So what is it for S1? If you just observe now, this is S1 station, right? What is it? You can say that is northing will be, first we'll write the northing, na? Northing comma easting, or easting comma northing, right? X and Y if you wanted to write, both are positive, right? This is what we have got. And for this S2, 600 and this 450, right? So easting is 600 means it will be slightly, okay, sorry, easting will be 600 means it will be right side of this one, na? Because you will be having origin somewhere here, na? You will be having origin somewhere here. It is 400, 500 easting and this 500 easting and this 500 northing you are having, okay? Then compared to this road, what is it? You can say S2, easting is 600 means it is right side of this, okay? Northing is 450 means it will be slightly down of this S1, na? It will be slightly down of this S1 or not, everyone? Is not? So what are the values you can say? That is your is not 600 comma 450, right? 600 comma 450, right? East value is higher but north value is lesser, so it will down. So this is your easting and this is your northing, right? And what is it? You can say we observe 225 degrees and this 153 degree 26 degrees respectively. Then the independent easting of this station S3 is, you are observing 225 degree means it is in the third quadrant, na? Whenever it is in the third quadrant means for this S1 it will become this first quadrant, na? Back bearing. So from this you are observing to get that in the third quadrant, it must be in the first quadrant. Now this is your S3 station. From S3 station you are observing in the third quadrant, means here it should be in the first quadrant, right? What is this angle? That is your 225 degrees is the angle, everyone. 225 degrees is the angle, right? And from this, what is that you are observing? From this to this S2, how much? 153.26, right? 153 means it will be in the second quadrant. So for this, it will come in the fourth quadrant like this. Yes, now for this, it will come in the fourth quadrant like this, right? What is this value? You can say this value will be nothing but your 153 degrees 26 minutes, right? Yes, now 26 minutes, right? That is 225 degrees, right? Then you are asked to identify the coordinates of this, yes, now. Then you are asked to identify which one is the coordinates of this, yes or not? Yes or no? Let us say this is your which one, this L1, and this is your which one, this L2. You can say, right? That is your L1 and this is your which one, this L2. If you just observe, right? Yes, now this is your L1 and that is your L2. So now tell me what is that you can get it if you just observe. What is that you can observe, you can get it if you just observe here. How can you get that, everyone? What is the procedure we have to follow, everyone? Anyone tell me what is the procedure we have to follow here? Latitude. Easting means latitude or departure. Easting means latitude or departure. Yeah, latitude will first we'll calculate this one, right? First we'll calculate this one, right? What is the bearing you are having here, right? That is there how much? That is 225 degree. And what is this value, right? This is your 45 degrees now, and this is which one, this is 45 degrees now. Yes or no? So now with respect to this we have to go for, right? With respect to this we have to go for if you just observe, right? Yes, now tell me what is that you can say, right? This is your 153 degree 26 minutes, right? What is this value then? What is this value then, all of you? What is this value? Tell me, all of you. 180 minus this 153 26, right? What it will become? 26 degree 34 minutes na. So no, that will become this 26 degree 34 minutes or not. So now this bearing will be which one? This 26 degree 34 minutes, right? Now when you are going from S2 to S3, we have to use this angle. From S1 to S3, we have to use this angle. Yes, now it is clear. So what is it you can say? Let that S1 S3 will be equal to which one? This L1, and S2 S3 will be equal to which one? This L2. You can say, right, like that. Yes, now. So this is what we are having. Now what is the northing of this S3? Northing of this S3 we are getting. How can you get that? From first one we can get, and from the second one we can get. Now do you remember that northing of this any point is equal to, right? Northing of this any point is equal to coordinates of this previous point, known point, plus sum of these latitudes of points in between these two. In between S1 and S2 only one line is there now. So what is there you can say? That is northing is nothing but which one? 500 na. So plus 500 plus which one? That L1 cos 45 na, plus L1 cos 45. Okay. From the second one also, how can you get this, right? From this one also, how can you get this? Is 450 is nothing. From this 450 plus which one? L2 cos 26 34 na. So what is it you can say? That is your 450 plus 450 plus L2 which one? This is a cos 26 degrees 34 minutes. We can write it now. Do you remember that statement, everyone, in our class? All of you. This is the statement you are having now. This is equation number 1. So what is that you can say now? L1 cos 45 minus L2 cos 26 degrees 34 minutes is equal to which one? This minus 50 na. This minus 50, it is equation number 1, right? Is that clear, everyone, now? Now tell me easting of S3. What is the easting of S3? Same as that of we will calculate now. First one plus 500 plus which one? L1 sin 45 na, right? That will become this sin 45, right? Sin 45 equal to, so what is that you can say? Plus 600 na, easting plus 600 plus L2 which one? This is sin 26 degrees 34 minutes, right? Now check this, how much it will become? L1 sin 45 minus na, so no, L1 sin 45, right? This will become this plus or minus, everyone. For this it will become latitude become plus or minus, everyone. For this, that latitude will become this minus na, yes or no? Because we are using this quadrantal bearing, means we have to substitute which one. This is a negative sign na, negative sign, right? Latitude, so this is your which one? This is for this south thing na, minus comma plus will come na. So what is it you can say? This will come minus, you can say, this will come minus, you can say, because directly you are using the quadrantal bearing na. Whole circle bearing, when you are using, just to substitute the angle only, but when you are using the quadrantal bearing, you have to check and you have to substitute the sign na. Do you remember that? We have mentioned that point in our class. Plus L2 sine which one? This is 26 degree 34 minutes equal to which one? Minus 100 na? Plus 100 or minus 100 this one? 600 minus 500 means plus 100 only, right? This is equation number 2. So whenever you are solving this equation number 1 and 2, we will be getting this L1 and this L2 na? Yes or no? Solving this 1 and 2, what is it you will be getting? Solving 1 and 2, get this L1 and L2 everyone. What are the values of this L1 and this L2 all of you? What is the value of this L1 and what is the value of this L2? Right, what is it you can say? Yeah, plus 100 only. This is plus 100 only. What is it? What is that L1, L2 value? L2 value is 111.8 meters. L1 is how much? 70.7, right? 70.7 meters, right? Therefore, easting only you are asked to calculate na. Easting of this ES3, how can you get? Any of these two formulas we can use na. Easting of this ES3, which formula? First formula or second formula? Which one you wanted to use? Left side one or right side one? Which one we have to use? Which one you wanted to use? Tell me. Any one is okay. Both are same. Okay, left side one I will be using plus 500. Plus what is it L1? L1 is 70.7 into what is it you can say? Sine 45 na? Into that sine 45. Tell me how much it is that easting of this? Plus 550 you are getting, plus 550 meters, right? Which one is the answer present? Is there any option present? Yes, option C will be the answer present na? Now tell me, what is that northing? Even though it is asked, we'll calculate, right? Northing of this ES3, if northing is asked, how to calculate? We'll calculate from the first line only, no? So plus 500 plus which one? This is 70.7 into which one? This is cos 45 na? That is cos 45, you can say, right? What it will become? That is plus 550 only, no? That is also plus 550 meters only, or not everyone? That is also plus 550 meters only, right? Like that. Is that clear everyone? Is that clear all of you? Alright, so shall I move to the next question? Is that clear everyone? So this is 17th question, you consider it as, right? This you consider it as which one? This is not 18th question, 17th question, because in between we have got one compass question. This is your 17th question, you can say, right? Got it? Shall I move? Shall I move on to the next, everyone? Ninth slide. Okay. This slide. Okay. Done. What to take? Which one? North of this southing is equal to which one? Is equal to which one? So north of this known point, north of this northing or this northing of this known point, plus sum of this latitudes between which one? Between this S1, between the known point and S3, between the known point and S3, right? Between which one? Between the known point and S3, because we wanted to calculate it for S3 only now. So what is it you can say here? Same. What is that northing of this known point? Total coordinates are only given, independent coordinates, total coordinates given. Northing of which point is known? S1 point is known. What is it northing of this S1 point? 500 na? So 500 plus sum of these latitudes of all the lines between known point and S3. So this known point and S3 means only one line is there na, only one line is there. Directly you can take it na. So latitude of this S1 S3 is what? That is L1 into that cos 45, L1 into that cos 45. Similarly, we can write from S3 also now. The total coordinates of this S3 are known to us, right? What is that you can say? Sorry, S2. S2 are known to us, that is 450 plus sum of these latitudes between this S3 and this S2 and this S3. What is the sum of these latitudes between this S2 and this S3? Only one latitude is there, na? That is L2 into that cos 2634. L2 into that cos 2634, right? Like that. Because it is a northing only, we are taking it as which one? This positive. Okay, northing positive we are taking, and it is departure negative. Yes, now? Got it now? Got it now? Similarly, this one also, right? Easting of any point is equal to easting of the known point, easting of the known point plus sum of these departures between these 2 points, right? Yes, now? Like that you have to take it, right? Clear everyone? Clear all of you? Right? Shall we solve this last question, or we'll go for we'll stop? This is question number 20. So question number 18. Shall we solve this or we'll stop? Okay, we'll solve then. $150 time I am giving. Try to solve this, everyone. Tomorrow? Okay, we'll just solve this and we'll close it. Okay, shall we solve tomorrow? Okay, sir, class is there, na? Okay, let it be. We'll solve this tomorrow. We'll solve this in tomorrow's class, don't worry. Right, we'll close with this, right? Anyone having any doubts till now? Anyone having any doubts, all of you? If no doubts, I'll close the session. If doubts are there, we'll just discuss, right? Tomorrow, actually just 1 or 2 questions are only there. Okay, we'll solve this traverse only and complete the traverse. Okay, tomorrow the traverse will be completed. Tomorrow traverse will be completed, right? Next we'll be entering into other topic, right? Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you.